please click like and subscribe to my channel.
The Windy Day by Scholastic, Book 11. The Windy Day by Quinlan B. Lee. It's such a windy day. I think I hear tree limbs knocking on the window. Oh, maybe it is a knock at the door. No one is here. But look, someone wrote me a note. It is from Boots. The note said to meet Boots at Play Park. I need to wrap up before I go. Abrela knit me this scarf to knot around my neck. It's Itza. Boots wrote her a note too. But something is wrong. Itza only has one mitten. Oh no! The wind blew Itza's other mitten up on the tree limb. Let's call Tico to help get it down. He is really good at climbing trees. Hooray! Tico got Itza's mitten. And Boots wrote him a note too. Let's all go to the play park together. We made it to play park. There is Boots. And look what he has. 4 kites. What a perfect day to fly kites. Hooray! The end.
That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you like more of these read-along stories in the future. Goodbye!